Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm working behind my house here today on my mitigation project. I'm gonna go grab the log skidder here in a minute, kind of back down this hill. That tree down there that's all cut up, I don't know if you can see it, but that's kind of what I use as my skidder brake slash won't run me over. But I've got some bundles down here on this hillside, and I'm gonna start grabbing those and dragging them up. All right, so welcome to where I live. This is kind of the way it always seems to. So this is the start. There you've got the skidder, and down here is where I'm running chokers. All right, the cable that I'm running, I've used it, I think, 2, maybe 3 times since I changed it. And I made the mistake when I ordered the cable. I said I wanted 5/8 swedge, and I ended up with 3/4. I believe it started as 3/4 and they swedged it down to 5/8. It's a little bit heavy. It helps to rappel down these hills though. The cable seems to be working great. I don't know if you noticed that when I release the winch, it spins a lot more than what it used to. I assume it's just because there's more weight going over it, but it definitely free floats more. It's not too bad considering, I mean, I'm always going downhill here. So if I were pulling it uphill, I might care more, but it's not a big deal. You guys are hearing me huffing and puffing out here. I am 3 weeks from having my nose rebuilt. I'm literally breathing at about 25% capacity. And add on to that, I'm 7,500 feet up here and humping up and down this hill. So here's what I've got. 5 chokers are hooked. There's 2 bundles way down there at the bottom. I don't know. I'm trying to kind of get them to weave through the trees. There's 2 bundles right there in the center, just beyond those tiny trees, and then this one over here. Just to make this very clear, I'm not a logger, and none of this is like worth much of anything. I just didn't want to masticate it and blow it all over down here. It's literally firewood. Nothing about this is good wood. So I don't think there's a single millable log in the entire bunch that I'm dragging up here. For those of you that have concerns, I do have my little baby monitor here. So this has a SOS feature on it, so I can call Flight for Life or whatever the case may be if needed.